Good evening, everyone. My name is Kavi. I'm with my colleague Steve, Marika, Yisheng, and Kafai. Today we're going to present about Airbus, what are our findings and what are our proposals. First, Airbus is a commercial aircraft manufacturer with helicopters, space, and defense division. And they were founded on 1960s. SA330 was their first helicopter model, and official launch of Airbus A300 program was on 29 May 1969. Their official motto is "We make it fly." And they are the largest space and aeronautics company in Europe. They aim to create prosperous, safer, and better connected world. And they have delivered more than 10,000 aircraft and 12,000 helicopters. Every employee practices Airbus 6 core values. They are respect, integrity, creativity, customer focus, reliability, and we are one teamwork. Next. I'm going to talk about situation analysis of Airbus. First, we're going to start out with PESTEL analysis. PESTEL is a strategic framework tool used by an organization to measure current environment or to plan the launch of a new product or services. So their political analysis is they are facing uncertainty due to impact of Brexit. It impacts cross-border supply chain and delivery time of products. And Airbus 4,000 engineers near Bristol, UK may need to be relocated. And there's an increase in security threat worldwide. Terrorist threat results in more spending in airport security level, and Middle East countries are likely to spend more in defense, which will increase Airbus opportunity. And in terms of economical analysis, there's a direct impact of economic growth in demand of air travel. And they have created more direct and indirect jobs globally. There are 40% more of international tourists travel by air. Second analysis is fluctuation of currency. And the impact by buying power of consumer has increases, and the impact of export and import transaction of Airbus has also increases. Next is sociological analysis. They have a very great corporate social responsibility action. They deliver aids for those who need support by airdrops. That means they fly to a specific location by just giving airdrops. And they also provide access to remote areas for those certain countries that do not have a good transportation system. And they have developed countries has less skilled technology labor, so they are providing opportunity to train and hire talent in the same country. And they also create more job opportunities globally. So technological analysis is they are the aviation technology innovator. They have ability to fly longer with less fuel, and they have capacity to take more passengers. And they have improved service with digitalization. So the consumers are able to purchase flight ticket through an app or through a web. And they have more comfort VIP launch and paid light comfort for long flights. So they have this technology in the aircraft. And legally, they have operating zones as comprehensive export laws. So Airbus have to comply with respective countries' export law that they operate. And the product and services affected by lack of intellectual property rights. Other aviation company can obtain Airbus invention as a technology. Is easily reverse engineered, although it is patented. And environmental analysis is they are reliable and future-proof target. So they have 100% recyclable byproduct. They can maximize fuel efficiency and noise level that decrease carbon emission. And the environmental and management system analysis is they have continuously monitored to measure the impact to the environment. And they are the only aviation company in the world to be awarded with ISO 14001 certificate. Next. I'm going to do VRO analysis. Okay, VRO analysis is a resources assets that a company can utilize, and capabilities are the method used by the company to utilize the resources. So I found out there are 4 kind of resources and capabilities that Airbus can utilize. First, they have strong global presence. They're a very valuable company, and it's a very rare for a new market to penetrate the industry. And yes, it's immutable and supported by organization, so it's sustained competitive advantage. Same goes for aerodynamics technology, innovative materials, and supply chain operation. It's all sustained competitive advantage. I'm done with my analysis. I'll pass it on to my colleague.
So, I will discuss about the Porter's 5 forces analysis, which is to actually to analyze how attractive in the Airbus in this industry, and then how in terms of brand value can Airbus bring to this industry. So in terms of barrier of entry is very high because due to the entry and exits is very high because due to the permits and legitimate and the financial things they need to be in terms of it need to be very high. That's why they need high risk in this both in terms of financial and legal involved. As for the bargaining power of buyers, it is a low to moderate range because the bargaining power of the customer is moderate because it's due to the demand is very high in terms of Airbus. And the brand image and the high quality products actually make the bargaining power of the customers is moderate. And for the bargaining power of supply is low because due to Airbus, they are actually relies on a large and a global supply chain. So the suppliers need this kind of buyers, which is Airbus is one of the major buyers of the materials of the thing. And then for this they have the upper hand because they are one of the major buyers. That's why its bargaining power for supply is low. As for trades or substitute, the trades or substitute for product is low because due to Airbus, they need to produce high quality aircraft, which they need, which there are only few competing brands like Boeing, Bombardier, Embraer, and few others. That's why the substitute of the products is very low. As for the competitive rivalry for Airbus, because due to the number of players is limited in the industry, that's why this brand investing in great quality in building best-in-class technology and deliver superior value and performance. So customers have a lesser option to choose from. That's why is pushing the line to quality. They will actually need to enhance in terms of quality. That's why they will actually based on the quality and brand image to see the competitive whether it's high or low. So for this one, pass the test.
So now I'm talking about the SWOT analysis. So let's talk about strain. So the strain about the Airbus is one of it is the market share. Market share because in this airline it is the one of the global aircraft manufacturer in aerospace industry. It's either Boeing or Airbus. Then second is the innovation R&D. They constantly enhance the aircraft technology which can compete with other aircraft manufacturer. So third one is eco-efficiency. So the brand is they are targeting on those sustainability. Like they launched the Blue 5, which is initiate which cover 5 areas, which is they reduce the waste, reduce the emissions, and reduce the VOC, and also they reduce the water, and another one is the CO2. Then they also has a vision to be the leader in the eco-efficient solution for the sustainability. So next, when it comes to weaknesses, high product cost is their major weaknesses because compared to the Boeing, and also the A380 delayed by over a year lead to increase the production cost and affected the share price of the Airbus group by 26%. And then another weakness is the operational inefficiency. So they have the history to delay launch such as the A350 and also due to the manufacture of the European, their operation performance has been bad, continued in 2019. Then, so when it comes to opportunity, there's a growth demand. The company projected a need of 33,000 aircraft value at USD 5.3 trillion over the next 20 years. Then they also expanding passenger traffic. So the rising middle class in the imaginations lead to have a great opportunity to improve the market share. And also there's a advancement in technology. The aircraft industry has undergone many technology breakthrough in the past few years, which can improve on their weaknesses. And the threat, so it's a tough competition because Boeing has been its tough competition and also has always come across with something new, which has challenged Airbus. With emergence of the new market, the battle for market share is going to be even tougher. Then another threat of Airbus is also the losing on the important market because Russia and China plan to develop their own commercial aircraft, and that is also a threat for Airbus.
I'm going to present for the short-term strategies. As mentioned, Airbus have a very bad operations inefficiency, which caused their backlog situation up to 7,000 and above. So we're suggesting the Airbus to hiring some of the additional staff like expert, including from the competitors like Boeing, so that they can to solve the backlog situation to help the operations to be effective rather than inefficiency. And another strategy is we offer the part production to all the customers because currently a lot of the airlines they bought the plane is like 1 or 2 times, so we are offering if they can bought 5 or 10 times, they can get a lot more difference of pricing.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chong Jin Yang. So now I'm sharing about the long-term strategy. So in long-term strategy, we have 2 directions, and which these 2 directions is our objective. First will be the technology enhanced in the direction that environment friendly, which Airbus already doing, and they can say that this is doing good and we do better in future. So the second direction will be strengthening the reputation by doing CSR and on a global scale. Okay. Next, the first point is technology and environment. How we can do this by the long term and become we have a continuous sales and be the example in the industry. So the first will be have a better performing engine. That means when a normal, for example, normal plane, they will consume 100 tons of fuel for a 20 hours flight. So in this better performance means can reduce the usage, become the more efficient on use fuel. When the fuel is using less, that means client will be save cost. If save cost means they will earn more profit. And the second will be improve in the airplane system. In this point, there will be when the flight autopilot or they are flying just depart, so they have a system, and this improve on this system will make the whole flight more safe and decrease the accident rate by 30%. this system. Next will be the last point, increase the engine technology, which this one is decrease the CO2, which Airbus already doing, but as the report showing by the Environment Europe, there is the organization by the Europe, they're showing that in 2017 they have from the CO2 from the plane they have 160 ton of the carbon. So by this technology will decrease the CO2 from the plane by 30%. Okay, next will be the reputation. How Airbus can continuous to have sales and be the example in the industry. Reputation is the very important thing. So the first will be suggested to Airbus will have a competition that's on two sides. One is technology and one is artwork design. So anybody have a better technology that can fulfill the long-term and the short-term target, they can suggest and have a competition. And second will be artwork. So they have come out any artwork that can plane on the airplane. So the second is linked with the first. Second is the fundraising campaign. So when they got a competition, they got a champion. So either they won in the technology or the art design, they have some sponsor or discount either from the flight ticket or they can use their artwork to plane on the airplane. So when the plane was fundraising by the public, so everybody they have donate for the fundraising. When they see the plane, the artwork on the plane, they will have the feel that belongings the feel. There's maybe that have the belonging feels. This plane is donated by them. And the third point will be they will move some profit from Airbus to have to donate back to the pool and to donate back to the who we need the money, like hospital and like the area that to increase their living standard. So these 3 points to increase their Airbus reputation. Thank you. So